In this video, we are going to talk about something very important because this is the reason why most people don't speak English. This is not grammar, this is not vocabulary, but this is fear. You know English, but you can't speak. You understand sentences, but you stay silent. Because when it comes to speak, you start overthinking what others are thinking about me. Am I making mistake? Am I looking nervous? These kind of thinking are stopping you. As a result, do you know what happened? You stay silent. On one hand, you want to speak, but on other hand, you are getting afraid of making mistakes. So this is not good. Believe me, this was exactly my situation. I had many thoughts in my mind, but I could not express them into English. I kept waiting for perfection. I kept waiting for confidence. I was just waiting and I was not improving. Then I realized that confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. Then I changed my approach and instead of waiting for perfection, I've just started speaking. Firstly, I made a plan. I've decided to speak alone. I did not speak in front of others because that creates an increased fear in me. So I have just started. I chose a place where I felt comfortable. Then I just started speaking because whenever you are alone, you feel free, and when you feel free, comfortable, no pressure, then you can speak freely. So if you speak freely, you can speak faster, you can make it habit, and when it becomes habit, you can speak confidently in public also. Then secondly, I've decided that I will learn only simple sentences. By using these sentences, I improved myself a lot. For example, I was saying I want to learn English, but I don't have enough course or I don't have enough vocabularies. Instead of getting low confidence, I started learning from the different platform. So I was just using these kind of sentences. So I started simple sentences, then I improved myself a lot. On third, I have just decided that I will not deny my mistakes. I will accept my all the mistakes. So I started accept my mistakes because if you deny your mistakes, you stop learning. But if you accept your mistakes, it means you're improving. Whenever you accept your mistakes, you try to resolve that mistake and you kept learning. So this is really very good, and it helped me a lot. One more thing that was very important, it was consistency. If you are consistent while speaking, that will really very help you in creating, in building your confidence, and in improving your English level. So but I'm not saying you have to speak for 2 hours or 3 hours. The consistency is, if you are speaking for 5 minutes in a day, it will become your habit soon, gradually. So once it become your habit, you will able to speak every sentence without getting any kind of afraid. You will not have any fear of people. You will able to speak confidently. And if you become confident, it means you have become fluent. You have learned English. So English is not about expressing yourself in difficult way. English is about you can express yourself in easy way also, but you can speak confidently in a manner way, and other people can understand you easily. So what you have to do, you have to comment, do you use difficult sentences or hard sentences? So, and you have to comment also what you have learned from this video.